Have you ever wondered how to make money online? With countless opportunities available, it seems like anyone can earn a fortune from the comfort of their home. But beware, not all that glitters is gold. In fact, some online money-making methods can lead to financial loss, legal trouble, or even worse. Today, we'll uncover the 5 worst ways to earn money online, helping you steer clear of these traps and focus on legitimate opportunities. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Ponzi schemes, a recipe for disaster. Have you ever been tempted by an investment promising high returns with little risk? That's the allure of Ponzi schemes, but behind their facade lies a dangerous game of financial deception. Ponzi schemes promise investors significant profits by using money from new investors to pay returns to earlier investors. This creates an illusion of profitability and attracts more participants hoping for quick gains. However, these schemes inevitably collapse when there aren't enough new investors to sustain the payouts, leaving most investors with substantial losses and sometimes legal consequences. Imagine encountering an investment opportunity guaranteeing to double your money in a few months. It sounds too good to pass up, right? Unfortunately, such promises often lead to financial ruin. Ponzi schemes thrive by exploiting trust and greed, presenting themselves as legitimate investments with guaranteed returns that defy market logic. To protect yourself, always scrutinize investment opportunities promising unusually high returns with minimal risk. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Educate yourself about investment principles and consult with reputable financial advisors before investing. By staying informed and cautious, you can avoid falling victim to Ponzi schemes and safeguard your financial future. Number 2. Get-rich-quick schemes. Too good to be true. Ever stumbled upon an enticing online offer promising massive wealth with minimal effort? Get-rich-quick schemes thrive on the allure of quick and effortless riches, but beneath their glossy surface lies a minefield of potential financial hazards. These schemes appeal to individuals seeking rapid financial gains by promoting systems or strategies that guarantee high returns in record time. They often emphasize testimonials of overnight success stories and boast about secret methods or insider knowledge. However, many of these promises are hollow, and the reality often involves hidden costs, upfront fees, or involvement in dubious activities. Imagine encountering an advertisement claiming you can earn thousands of dollars per week from home with just a few clicks or by following a simple formula. While these claims may seem appealing, they rarely deliver on their lofty promises. Instead, participants may find themselves out of pocket with little to show for their investment. To safeguard yourself, approach any opportunity promising quick wealth with skepticism. Research the credibility of the scheme, seek independent reviews, and be cautious of providing personal or financial information hastily. Remember, genuine financial success typically requires hard work, perseverance, and informed decision-making rather than quick fixes or shortcuts. Number 3. Phishing and online scams. Beware of fraudsters. In today's digital age, navigating the online landscape requires caution, especially when it comes to phishing and online scams. These deceptive tactics are designed to trick unsuspecting individuals into divulging personal information or financial details. Phishing scams typically involve fraudulent emails, messages, or websites that masquerade as trustworthy entities like banks, government agencies, or reputable companies. The goal is to deceive recipients into clicking on malicious links, downloading harmful attachments, or disclosing sensitive information such as passwords or credit card numbers. Imagine receiving an urgent email purportedly from your bank, requesting immediate verification of your account details through a provided link. Clicking on such links can lead you to a fake website that appears legitimate, but is designed to capture your login credentials and other confidential data. To protect yourself from phishing and online scams, scrutinize every unexpected email or message you receive. Verify the sender's email address and be cautious of unsolicited requests for personal information. Legitimate organizations typically do not ask for sensitive details via email. Additionally, educate yourself about common phishing tactics, use reputable security software, and report suspicious activities promptly to safeguard your online identity and finances. Number 4. Paid surveys, the false promise of easy money. Ever been tempted by the idea of earning quick cash by simply sharing your opinions online? Paid survey websites promise easy money for completing surveys or participating in market research, but the reality often doesn't live up to the hype. While legitimate paid survey platforms do exist, many fraudulent websites exploit people's desire for effortless earnings. These sites may require excessive personal information, charge upfront fees, or offer very low payouts for the time and effort invested. Imagine signing up for a survey platform that claims you can earn substantial income by answering a few questions a day. Initially, it seems like a convenient way to earn extra money, but soon you realize that the surveys are infrequent, pay minimal amounts, and the promised rewards are difficult to attain. To avoid falling victim to paid survey scams, it's crucial to research each platform thoroughly before joining. Look for reviews and testimonials from other users. Check if the platform has a clear privacy policy, and be cautious of any site that asks for upfront payments or demands extensive personal information. While genuine opportunities to earn money through surveys exist, they often require a significant investment of time and effort. By staying informed and discerning, you can protect yourself from wasting time on deceptive schemes and focus on legitimate ways to supplement your income. Number 5. Multi-level marketing, MLM programs. Pyramid of illusions. Have you ever been approached with promises of unlimited earnings by selling products or recruiting others? Multi-level marketing, MLM programs, often touted as opportunities for financial freedom, can lead individuals into a complex web of unrealistic promises and financial instability. MLM programs operate by recruiting individuals to sell products or services while encouraging them to recruit others into their downline. Participants earn commissions from both their sales and the sales of their recruits. However, the structure of MLMs often resembles a pyramid scheme, where success heavily depends on recruitment rather than product quality or genuine consumer demand. Imagine being pitched an MLM opportunity, promising lavish lifestyles and substantial earnings through minimal effort. You invest in starter kits, attend training sessions, and start building your network, only to realize that making significant income requires continuous recruitment and sales that may not align with your personal values or ethics. To protect yourself from MLM pitfalls, carefully research any opportunity before committing. Evaluate the product's market demand, assess the compensation plan transparency, and consider the financial risks involved. While some individuals may succeed in MLMs, many more find themselves struggling to recover their investments in a competitive and often saturated market. In the vast landscape of online opportunities, avoiding the pitfalls is crucial for safeguarding your time, money, and personal information. Ponzi schemes, get-rich-quick schemes, phishing scams, paid surveys, and MLM programs are enticing but fraught with risks. By staying vigilant, researching thoroughly, and trusting your instincts, you can navigate toward legitimate ways to earn online. Remember, informed decisions lead to safer and more rewarding experiences in the digital world. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and happy earning online.